What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a really long time. Been slowly working on the E30, getting stuff done. We got, here, I'll just show you. Got the inside completely tore out. I've got to repair this spot down here. There's a bunch of extra wiring and stuff in here. A bunch of this still has to get cleaned up, but everything's torn down and dash is open and all that junk. That'll get there, but the new tank, fuel pump, and everything is in. I redid the entire suspension in the back, all the brakes, all the lines for the brakes, the everything, basically everything. So I'll see if I can show you. Flip this around. You can, new suspensions in there, all new everything, clean that all up, all new bushings in there, subframe, everything. It's good times. So there's that, and then right now we are working on the front. I say we, but it's just been me. I've got new rotors and everything on. This side's all buttoned up. Got all new everything suspension wise. New tie rod boots back in there, new clamps and stuff. All new hardware on everything. You can see there. I have an extra charcoal canister right here, this thing. That one's pretty corroded on the bottom. I'm gonna take it out and check it over and make sure and see, but I've got to get that brake line kind of out of the way. For whatever reason, it was just a little too long. Clutch master is in. This is coming out, the steering coupler here. I've actually got a new Delrin steering coupler and all the wonderful hardware for it. And today I'm hooking up and tightening down the rest of everything over here, getting it ready. New springs are up there, and then kind of putting everything back together. So that's where we're at. Very close to being ready to roll this baby out, give it a nice deep clean down here, and I got motor mounts on the way. There's new transmission mounts on the transmission. Gotta get the flywheel turned. And then we're basically ready for everything to go back in after that, I think. I'm running out of parts, so Dad's got this is what he's been working on, so he doesn't have to be bent over and stuff. We get the clutch fan and the plastic fan and everything on. It just needs cleaned up some, but he spent way too much time polishing up this pig and some other stuff, I think. But we got all new coolant lines and everything. We got new accelerator cable and stuff that'll go onto the throttle body area here. The starter's over there. We've got all the other bits and pieces that have to go on this thing too. So we'll get to that and get it all put back on. So that's kind of where we're at. There's not really much else to say, I guess. It's definitely been challenging, to say the least. I think the back was the worst part, just with the fuel tank and all the brake lines. And by the way, just so you're aware, do not buy all the hard lines or the hard lines at all for the brake lines. I think it's, I can't remember the name of it. I found out after I'd ordered everything and started installing it that someone actually makes like a one-piece, like flexible-ish brake line that runs down the whole way to the back and has a built-in splitter and everything. So I would have saved a ton of money just doing it that way, and time and stress. I wish I would have known about it. No one told me, even though I told multiple people I was redoing the brakes. So either they didn't know, either, you know, it is what it is at this point. Yeah, one of my spacers I don't know if they put it on like this or what, but the ring snapped off. So yeah, now I get to test fit the wheel with the good one that I have and see if it still fits. All the upholstery went to the upholsterer today. The upholstery, door cards, the back seat, the kick panels, a bunch of odds and end pieces that needed to get wrapped in the same material as well to match the front seats I got. So that's all good and going. That'll probably be the next update in the few weeks here, unless something else happens by then, you know. But I've got new carpet, all the seat stuff's getting done. We're getting close. We're very close. Hopefully we'll be able to see if this baby will start in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Probably like a week from when you actually see this, because I'm ridiculously busy and I'll probably forget to, like, you know, edit this and put it up on the actual channel. So we'll see. But yeah, that's it for now. I might shoot some updates later, but I doubt it, because all I'm gonna do is hook all the suspension stuff up, crawl underneath and get one of the things for the transmission hooked up that needs to get hooked up in preparation for it, and then that's kind of it for today. I don't think there's much else I can really do until I get the motor mount and stuff. So catch you later. Peace out.